Everyone is obsessing over the same 3 electric cars. Meanwhile, Kia just dropped something that might make all of them irrelevant. This is the 2026 Kia EV3 GT-Line. And there is one number that changes everything. 600 kilometers on a single charge. That is not a concept car promise. That is the real WLTP range with the 81.4 kilowatt-hour battery sitting underneath this thing, and nobody is talking about it. Look at this design. Kia took their new design language and shrunk it into a compact SUV that actually looks expensive. The vertical light signature up front connects directly to the hood line. Sharp creases run along the body, and those flush door handles are not just for show, they reduce drag. From the side, it looks like a baby EV9. That is not an accident. But the real story is not what you see, it is what you do not see. Step inside and this is where Kia starts punching above its weight. A 12.3-inch curved display sits behind the steering wheel. Another screen handles infotainment. The materials feel premium. Soft touch surfaces where your hands actually land. Not just on the dashboard top where nobody touches. Heated seats front and rear come standard on the GT line. So does the heat pump, which is critical for maintaining that 600-kilometer range in cold weather. The head-up display projects speed and navigation directly onto the windshield. 360-degree camera gives you a bird's-eye view for parking. Wireless phone charging. Digital key too, so you can unlock with your smartphone. The back seat is surprisingly spacious for a compact SUV. Flat floor means 3 adults can actually fit without fighting for legroom. Pop the frunk. Yes, there is a frunk. Not massive, but enough for your charging cables or a small bag. Most competitors in this class skip this entirely. Now let us talk about what powers this thing. 150 kilowatts. That is 204 horsepower pushing the front wheels. 0 to 100 in around 7.5 seconds. Not neck-snapping fast, but this car was never built for drag strips. It was built for one thing: going far without thinking about charging. And when you do need to charge, the 800-volt architecture means 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. Pull into a fast charger, grab a coffee, and you are back on the road with over 400 kilometers added. Now the question everyone wants answered: how much? The GT line with the long-range battery starts at around 47,000 euros. That sounds like a lot until you realize the Tesla Model Y with comparable range costs nearly the same. And this has a nicer interior. The Kia EV3 GT-Line is not trying to be the fastest electric car, it is trying to be the smartest one. 600 kilometers. Think about that next time you are hunting for a charger. New video drops next week. Hit subscribe so you do not miss it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.